is my purpose in life? I want to know. And you came to the right place to find out. You know why? Because everything has a purpose. Let me show you something real quick. See this right here? This is called a pen, isn't it? What is a pen for? Well, it's not a screwdriver. You don't try to, It's not a hammer. No, it's a pen. It's for writing. So, we want to write with a pen. But if the pen won't write, this pen's not writing, then throw it away. You don't need it anymore, right? So, it won't do its purpose. What is the purpose of a bowl? Well, a bowl is to hold food. Now, this bowl was full of strawberry ice cream sundae. And I love strawberry ice cream sundae. But I don't love an empty bowl where the strawberry ice cream sundae used to be. Well, I love it a little bit. That is really good. Sorry. So, we're talking about purpose in life, right? So, what is our purpose? Is our purpose to get a good education? And then get a bigger education? A master's degree? A PhD? And then? Oh, I got the top. Got to start on something else. I'll get another PhD in something else. What about a career? Yes, I'll be the number one in my career. Wait, I'll own the business. Wait, I'll own a bunch of businesses. Wait, I'll be the richest man in the world. Wait, I'll own the world. And then? And then what? And then eventually you'll die. What? No, I won't. Yes, you will. We're all going to die. So what's our purpose? Why are we here? We were born, right? And then we grew up a little bit. Some of us grew up a little bit better than others, right? And then you get older, yeah. Then you get married, and then you have kids. Whoa! They grow up, they get older, they get married, they get kids, and then those kids grow up, and they get married, and they get kids, and now all of a sudden you're a grandpa. It happened to me. And then those grow up, and they got married, and they got kids. And now I'm a great-grandpa. And then what? Well, eventually you're going to die. No, wait, I won't die. Yes, you will. We're all going to die. So what's the purpose of life? Why are we going through all this? Why do we want the education? Why do we want the job? Why do we want the family, the house, the kids? And then you're going to die anyway. Why? Is that really why we're here? What if we consider that there is a purpose? We just didn't know what it was. Think about this. Where did everything come from? No, that's too big. I can't think about it. No, just hold on. Where did everything come from? Oh, it's a big bang. All right, hold on. An explosion? One great big explosion? Is that it? Boom? And out of all of that came this? Excuse me? We're Muslims. We know all about explosions, okay? And real beautiful things don't come out of explosions, do they? No. So the beautiful things that we look at in the universe, even through the Hubble telescope, the satellites that are going all over the place, taking pictures and sending it back to us, and how beautiful is that? It's more beautiful than an ice cream sundae, I tell you, for sure. True or false? Yes. So who made all of that? And it's the same one who made you and me and gave us life and gave us a purpose. But we're not paying attention to our purpose. Our purpose in this life is known to us from an expression. An expression in the Quran. It says, أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. وَمَا خَلَقْنَا الْجِنَّ وَالْإِنسَ إِلَّا لِيَعْبُدُونَ. Almighty God, He's telling us how and why and what in His final revelation that he did not create us except for ibadah, worship to him alone, without any partners. And you know what's good about that? It makes you know now what you're supposed to do. Whenever you worship, give your worship only to the real God. Don't worship what he created. Don't worship a rock, a stick, a stone, a bone. Don't worship a person. Worship the one who created all of those things and gave life and gave death and will resurrect us and bring us all back together again. And then we have to answer for everything, right? So our purpose, you and me, is to worship the one and only God with no partners. Don't worship him like you want him to be. Worship him like he is. He is not like you or me or anybody. He's not like a man. He's not like a tree or a mountain or a planet or a moon or a sun or a galaxy. He's much greater than anything we can imagine. He is absolute and perfect and the epitome of all of his characteristics. And you can worship him easy, right where you are right now. How? He gave you a heart, right or wrong. You have a heart. That's yours. Nobody can mess with it. That's yours. You own it. He gave you the dominion over your own heart. So open it up to him and say two things. Guide me. Try it. Guide me. When you do that, you're asking him to guide you to your purpose. And then, for sure, you'll find it if you're sincere. Do it. Go ahead. Guide me. Not out loud, inside. Guide me. Guide me. Guide me. Fulfill your purpose. Huh?